Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to withdraw Temu credit balance. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. So in this case, the first thing you want to do here is we first have to know, is it actually possible? So your credit or your Temu credits are exclusively usable for purchases within the Temu platform and cannot be converted into cash. Now these credits have no expiration date, meaning that you could use them whenever you want to. Now in the event of a refund processed as credit and you wish to switch the refund method back to the original payment mode, kindly refrain from utilizing the credited amount. Reach out to customer support or services for assistance in making this adjustment. Now in this case, we want to prevent misinformation, and right now it is not possible for us to withdraw Temu credit balance as of this moment, but hopefully sometime in the future Temu would actually implement this. But that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.